Tired of juggling dongles or buying duplicate peripherals for your gaming laptop? The glorious Model O2 Mini might just be your answer. This lightweight wonder tackles a common problem: seamless gaming on the go. Let's dive in. This Mini Mouse keeps the signature honeycomb design of its bigger brother, shedding weight and looking sleek. At just 57 grams, it's seriously light. RGB lighting adds a touch of flair, and you still get on-device DPI adjustment and satisfying clicky switches. Size matters, especially for travel. The Model O2 Mini is smaller than most full-size gaming mice, fitting easily into luggage. And the best part, built-in Bluetooth 5.2 LE. No more losing tiny USB dongles. It's a right-handed design, but the symmetrical shape means lefties won't feel completely left out. Grip-wise, claw, fingertip, or palm, it's generally comfortable, though larger hands might find it a tad small. Performance? Solid. The BAMF optical sensor reaches a blistering 26,000 dpi. Battery life is stellar too. Expect over 100 hours on 2.4 GHz wireless and a whopping 210 hours on Bluetooth with the RGB off. Glorious software lets you customize DPI, lighting, and button mappings. It's user-friendly, though DPI adjustment could be smoother. In real-world gaming, it performs well. Single-player titles like Stalker 2 and Diablo 4 are a breeze. However, hardcore multiplayer gamers might notice slight inconsistencies in responsiveness during rapid movements. We're talking milliseconds, and in competitive play, that can matter. For casual gamers, though, it's perfectly fine. So, who's this mouse for? If you need a lightweight, travel-friendly mouse with Bluetooth and solid performance, the glorious Model O2 Mini is a winner. It's perfect for gaming on the go without sacrificing style or functionality. Serious competitive players might want to look at higher-end options, but for most, this mouse hits the sweet spot. That's the glorious Model O2 Mini. Thanks for watching!